Hello. I thought we could plant some seeds today. I'm sure you've seen these before. Hopefully not in the ocean where someone can eat them. It's not very good. So to plant some seeds you need something to put them in. You might want gloves, but who are we kidding? We have flowers and we have some veggies. So what do we need to make something grow? We need the sunshine. That's right. We need a home, something to snack on. Hey, wind. Waiting. It's okay. These are Oregon sugar pods. Where do we live? If you've seen me at school, you live in Oregon too. Ugh. Sprinkle! Those are kind of fun. Want to see? See them? Right there? You just gotta tuck them in. Good night. Go to bed. Put on your pajamas. Brush your teeth. Don't get up and drink water. Drinking water, that's right. We need some water. Okay. Did you want some of these? Here, oh, I can put them here. Oh no! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Better to do this outside. Should I dry you off a little bit? Hang on a second. Better? Woo! Just a little more? Okay. There you go. Nice. And now they're tucked in, they have their water. So we need soil and water. Sunshine. Ta-da! I hope you have a good weekend. Happy Earth Day.